Schools in southwest China's Xizang Autonomous Region have embraced a warm winter thanks to a government-funded heating project. The project is part of an effort to improve the infrastructure of schools and guarantee the well-being of students and teachers.
我们的学校这周开始供暖了，特别感谢这些惠民政策，让我们的学生在温暖的宿舍和教室学习生活。
The project has covered all schools in the region, whether those in the regional capital or those in remote areas. Nari Prefecture is known for its high average altitude of 4,500 meters. The lowest temperature here can plummet to minus 30 degrees Celsius. In Nari Shanxi Experimental School, all the 46 classrooms are connected to a central heating system, and the room temperature is kept at 20 degrees Celsius.
在没有暖气之前呢，我们在上那个课的时候，我们的手就是很抖的状态，写那个字的时候也不是太稳。然后通了暖气之后呢，我们的就会感觉到很温暖，很温暖，很温暖。我的父母也很放心我在这里上学，也不担心我会感冒呀、生病那种。
The heating project is also environment friendly.
我校呢是有水暖和电地暖的方式采暖。那么自从2022年教育系统呢投资为我们学校改善了采暖系统，老师们和学生们都能享受到了煤改电的清洁能源取暖带来的实惠，无论是白天还是夜间，室内的温度都很暖和。